In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a Practice Better page in WordPress, a super useful skill for anyone looking to integrate this tool into their website. Stay tuned because not only will I walk you through this process, but I'll also share a few insights on Practice Better itself and why some alternatives may actually be better for your goals. So let's dive into it. First, when you're working with Practice Better, you're probably looking to streamline your client management and scheduling. But when it comes to integrating it with WordPress, you might hit a couple of bumps along the way. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Next thing, let's talk about setting up the page itself. You'll start by logging into your WordPress dashboard, where you'll go to Pages and hit Add New. From there, you'll add a title, something like My Practice Better Dashboard or whatever fits your branding. This is where you'll embed your Practice Better content. Now, the tricky part, embedding Practice Better into WordPress. Practice Better doesn't offer a simple plugin for WordPress, which means you'll need to use a frame to display your Practice Better page. To do this, you'll grab the URL from your Practice Better account where your page is hosted, then copy that into a frame code. The fourth thing you should know is that Practice Better has some limitations here. For one, it's not as customizable as some would like when embedding it into WordPress. The frame method is a quick fix, but if you're aiming for full integration and customization, you might find the setup a bit limiting, especially if you want more control over the design. Another thing to keep in mind is that Practice Better's interface isn't super intuitive when it comes to customizing how it displays on your WordPress site. You'll likely need some technical know-how to tweak it just right. If you're looking for a smoother experience, there are competitors out there that might provide better integration. Now, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you a solid alternative to Practice Better in a minute, one that gives you more control, better customization, and a seamless WordPress integration. Before we wrap up, let's touch on the free trial I mentioned earlier. Practice Better does offer a free trial, but through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, plus a few benefits you won't find anywhere else. And here's where I get to the exciting part. There are some alternatives that are even better for this exact goal. These platforms offer better WordPress integration, more features for managing your practice, and offer free trials too. Stick around till the end to find out which one I recommend for anyone serious about scaling their online practice. So, to summarize, you now know how to publish a Practice Better page in WordPress, what to expect from the software, and why it might not always be the best fit for your goals. But remember, I've linked an amazing alternative that could work even better for you. Check out the link in the description for your extended free trial and exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching.